Hi. Contemplation is our 11th way in our 64 ways and days of peace, the Michael Chekhov Way. We are interested in what the gift of contemplating can bring to you in terms of peace and in terms of activating an ability to function and move through the world with peace, with a sense of inner calm and nonviolence. And I think gardens are an amazing place to contemplate. And so, contemplating, what does that mean? In many ways, it is a kind of reflecting. And in the Michael Chekhov Way, we have an axiom that is that repetition is the growing power. And we also say repetition without reflecting or contemplating can mean that we grow the power of something that is just a bad habit. So if we are contemplating, then we have the ability to reflect. We can contemplate how our lives are as a whole. We can contemplate what thoughts are going through our mind, what feelings are we experiencing, and what actions are we taking. We can contemplate our relationship to ourself, to our higher self, to our everyday processes, to our body, our physical body. How are you in relationship with your physical body, with your emotional needs, with your environment, your personal atmosphere? How is it? How is your home environment? Can you contemplate how things around you are perhaps increasing your sense of stress and decreasing your feeling of peace? Is there something you can do to just look at the field around you, your personal environment, and see how it's affecting the vibration in the space? This vibration in the space affects how we are. Doesn't always change what we're doing, though it can. It definitely impacts how, and we're looking here at the whole concept of how, through peace, through nonviolence. Contemplating gives us a chance to review and reflect and fly back over how we have been interacting and what have we discovered about what triggers our sense of anxiety or sense of aggression, and what awakens peace and a sense of appreciation in us. Those four feelings of beauty, ease, entirety, and the form. So peace is a form, nonviolence is a form, and if we contemplate on how we are thinking of the form, we could be applying a sense of positivity. If we can give ourselves the time to be centered and calm and breathe in our contemplative moments and open, especially if we can imagine contemplating from the ideal artistic center, this still point in us, but very much so can we contemplate from this monkey mind that spins around and jumps into judgment. Can we contemplate peace? Are you willing to take a few moments to contemplate your life and how you're contributing to the peace in the world? Contemplation, a path to peace.